Do you want to convert your EML files into PDF format and save them on your local system? You can easily perform the process using the Kernel EML Converter tool. It is a user-friendly tool that supports the conversion of bulk EML files with multiple filtering options. Here are the steps to convert EML files to PDF using the Kernel EML Converter tool. Launch Kernel EML Converter and click on the Add Source button. The tool allows you to select EML and EMLX as source file types. Click on Browse next to Please select EML files to export if you know the location where your EML files are stored on your system. Click on Browse next to Search Add EML files across your PC if you don't know the location where your EML files are stored on your system. Click on the folder containing EML files. Now, you have the option to select either single files or you can select multiple files as per your needs. Then click on the Open button. Once you have selected the EML files, click on the Add Files button. The software will shortly add all the files. Click on any EML file to get a preview of its content. Click on the Filters button to find specific EML files based on from, to, CC, BCC, subject, body, read unread, attachments, and date. After specifying what to find, click on the Apply Filter button. Select the EML file folder to convert and click the Export button. You can see there are multiple output types. Select PDF format. The tool offers multiple filters you can apply any as per requirements from. File naming convention option to save output data with customized names. Extract attachments in a separate folder, skip an empty folders, open the folder after export is done, get a log report of conversion, and apply a date filter for selective data conversion. Lastly, click on the Browse button to provide a saving location. You can choose any folder on your local system to save output files. You can even make a new folder, then click on OK. Now, click on the Export button to begin the EML files to PDF conversion process. The software will show you the live conversion progress. Wait for a while till conversion completes. Upon process completion, you will receive an Export Completed message. Click Done. The software will automatically redirect you to the saving location of the output PDF files. You can see that all the files have been successfully converted and the attachments have been extracted in a separate folder. In this way, the process to convert EML files to PDF format is completed using the Kernel EML Converter tool. Thanks for watching the video. Check out the official website to get the detailed information about the software.